In this video, I'll teach you how to link a bank account or a card to your Cash App. Unless you've added in a bank account or a card onto your Cash App, you won't be able to load money into your Cash App. So in order to do it, make sure you follow along. Open up your Cash App. Once you're inside of the Cash App, you'll see this interface. Now, in order to add in or link a card or a bank account, you'll need to tap on the profile icon, which is on the top right. Once you tap on your profile icon, you'll be able to see your profile name and your Cashtag. From this section, you just need to scroll down and then tap on Link Banks. This way is going to show you a section of adding in a debit or a bank account to your Cash App. If you already have one, it's also going to show up on the top. If you don't, you can tap on Link Bank, or you can also tap on Link Credit Card. So depending upon what you want to link onto your Cash App, you can tap one of these options. Whether you tap bank account or a credit card, you're going to need to follow the same process. Tap on continue, and in the next step, you'll need to add in your bank details or your card details in order to link it. So similar for the bank, if you're adding in a credit card, you can tap on continue, add in your card details, make sure your card is valid, and once you do, your card or your bank account of Cash App will be immediately added in. So that's all it takes in adding in a bank account or a card to your Cash App. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.